Hello, I'm Brad Johnson, and welcome to the third tutorial for the Healing Code Cards body deck. And in this tutorial, we're going to be looking into the Purifier card. Now, of course, this is the only card of its kind in the entire deck. This one is referred to as the Major Organ Purifier. Now, what the Major Organ Purifier does is it does like a sweeping. It does a full cleansing, clearing out, again, any particular excess debris and helping to purify the organs after you have given them a good thorough cleansing with the enhancer cards. So before utilizing the Purifier card, it's recommended that you just work with all the enhancers first, and then you can move on into the Purifier. Okay? The Purifier is also working to eliminate a lot of viruses found within not just the organs, but also within the glands and bodily systems as well too, such as Epstein-Barr virus, all strains, such as Streptococcus, all strains, such as shingles, all strains, and helping to clear a lot of that out of the body altogether. So please work with the enhancer cards first, and then you can move on to the Purifier card. Again, as it's the only one of its kind, this is again more so an additional benefit to all the enhancer cards that you're working with. As you start cleaning out the organs, you start detoxifying from your body. You're also eating a good healthy diet. You're exercising regularly. You may want to meditate on a daily basis as well too. And now you can move on to the Major Organ Purifier. And the Purifier basically helps to do additional cleanup, additional purification, and clearing out not just the organs, but much of the bodily systems within ourselves.